Come on along. Hi, folks. Coming to you from the great state of Wisconsin. I got my helpers here in the shop, Leroy, Ziva, and hi, Ziva. I was just watching, okay, it's Sunday, this is gonna be a public service announcement. I don't wanna get into this too much, because, it is what it is. Isn't she a good-looking dog? Are you happy? Come here. Who's this? She's my good girl. Yeah, she's a good girl. Right there. Anyhow, this is what I got to talk about today. It's about work. It's about lack of work. We're in forestry. We're into mechanics. We're into construction equipment. Just about whatever we fix. But we're deemed essential to be here. Got to keep that fiber running so that the people can make the right people in the right places in Green Bay and those other factories can make your, what do they call them, toilet paper. And I would guess masks, all that other stuff. So anyways, forestry in Wisconsin is pretty much going yet. We're just doing what we can, mitigating people coming in, yada, yada, yada. But, so we're okay. We're working. The cash flow just stopped. You can just see it in the bank accounts. It just stopped. Nobody's spending money, whatever. This isn't about that. This is about people and the sheep and oh my gosh. Every day I'm going to give you a piece of advice, and all you guys, my viewers, pretty much know this already, but spread the word. I'm going to give you a piece of advice. The world's in a crisis. Doesn't do anybody any damn good to panic, but 90% of the people are. Well, I don't know what the percentage is, and I guess it don't matter, but I watch the news very rarely. But I did something the other day about 2 weeks ago when this all started happening. I'm a YouTuber, right? Hey, I said it, I'm a YouTuber. YouTube! I went on this thing called a smartphone, and I was watching a video, and up pops the news, headlines, in MSNBC, NBC, all these news. They'll take the presidential news conference, which is going on now for 2 weeks straight, his task force, and they'll show a 2-minute clip. And of course, they'll do what they do. So I'm going to tell all you people out there, just as much as you subscribe to me, I want you guys to go out and subscribe to the White House. I subscribe and then I hit the alert for the live stream every day. And being that most of us in the world now are just kind of sitting with our thumb up our butts going, what's going to happen next? I watched the whole thing. The guy that's leading us, and the president is what he is. I ain't going to say I love him. I ain't going to say I hate him. But son of a gun, he's standing up there doing his damn job, and he's doing it well, and that's my opinion. And the vice president is doing a good job. But what I'm trying to tell you all is to spread the word to your friends, to go watch the whole thing. You got nothing better to do. And you will actually see how they manipulate and they try to twist him in, and I'm getting into it a little bit. But no, he's got the right people there telling you the facts right there to your face. If you want to panic, then go ahead and panic. But in my opinion, if you watch him every day, he's got Dr. Burke, Dr. Fauci, he's got the Surgeon General, he's got the military guys, he's got everybody. They all get a chance to talk. And my point being is, it's nonsense to be panicked. Do what's got to be done for the good of everybody. You'll actually see the real story if you watch. Sometimes they're an hour and a half. And you watch who he puts around him and how he's creating private enterprise with us, with with the government and making things work together. I swore I'd never preach about politics, but damn it, we're all in this together, and we got to get through it. So listen to him, and as some of the guys out there on YouTube, the young generation doesn't seem to be having much problem listening, which doesn't surprise me, but they're having parties and they're getting Corona parties. I mean, come on, if you're not going to support part of the solution, you're going to be part of the problem. And so what? I went to, before this all happened, I went and got paint. I got all kinds of stuff to do in the house. I mean, be with your family. My kids are over here every day, and then that's about it. But I painted today. I fixed some plumbing in the house that needed to be fixed 12 years ago. Maybe I'll post that video up too, but just take it easy, man. Relax, and we'll all get through it. And the trucks are rolling down the highway every day. I'm allowed to go out there and drive amongst it, and I run for parts and do whatever, and you'd just be amazed. Like here in rural Wisconsin, people are doing what they're told. They're staying home. There's no cars on the road. It's incredible. And yet, I'm proud of our nation in a way, but the rest of them, it's just incredible, the panic, because they listen to that crap to get the ratings, blah, blah, blah. Tell you another guy I like to watch is go to BillWhittle.com or Bill Whittle on YouTube. Highly intelligent, a couple of guys that are on that channel. And like I said, most of my subscribers, I'm guessing, are of that nature. Probably conservative. Oop. I didn't say that, but anyways, a nice shout out to you. I gotta fix this here. I'm gonna shout out to guys that I haven't talked to in a while. I don't know where they're hiding. I haven't watched a lot of videos. I've been doing my thing. I got lots of stuff going on, but this is just an update and a little rant about that. Watch the White House. They have their own YouTube channel. It's cool. It's facts right in front of your face. And if you can't interpret, whatever. No, like, I don't know, everything has been quiet. We'll get by. I was going to say hi to Logger Wade, hi to Stump Jumper, and MLH, and Mr. Haley, and Mr. Paydirt. You Idahoans must not go anywhere because it doesn't look like you have any disease out there yet or virus, but it'll come get you. At any rate, stay safe, stay calm. We're all in this together. Man, it's going to take a couple of months maybe, but we'll get by. Honest. I shit you not. We're good people, and we do what we're supposed to do. It's going to go away. And we'll all be back to business as normal, and it makes you appreciate what you got. Put it that way. And quite frankly, in the shop here, I kept the guys working even though there isn't much work. House cleaning never hurt anybody. Painting, sweeping, cleaning the toilets, cleaning the walls. You all know you got stuff to do that you put off. We all do. Unless you're OCD, like, I didn't say that. All right, well, my two little doggies, I think, are ready to go in the house. And you guys take care, stay safe. I didn't know I could talk for 9 minutes here in front of the camera, but stay safe and watch the real man lead our country. Tune into him. You'd be surprised. When you get to the end, you want to shut it off because of the rest of them, but watch it anyway. You see where the real people are and the honest people are. Okay, you guys ready? Want to go in the house? Should we go in the house? Can you get down? Oh, there's one. All right, we'll see you guys. Take care. Thanks for watching. Hit the subscribe button. What else? Oh, put me on autoplay. We can generate income, or I'm gonna try to get a video out every day here because you guys got nothing better to do. If you're shut down, you might as well watch me talk, huh? And then tell me if I should put the beard back on or leave it off. I'm in a debate mode. You get to see this extra double chin and I mean, we'll see you guys. Take care. Bye.